Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at Mari Llewellyn's incredible weight loss. And don't forget to check out Mari's website, marieasyfitness.com, to pick up her gym guides, resistance bands, and all of her fun products. So take a look at this before and after. Wow. Here's what she had to say about her weight loss. My transformation began when I hit rock bottom. Some tough experiences led me to where I am today, and I wouldn't change it for the world. This journey wasn't just about losing weight. I discovered who I am and what makes me happy. Now I'm the healthiest and happiest I've ever been. The first piece of advice I give to everyone is to start small. I began my journey with just 1 walk a day and cleaning up my diet. I told myself just 2 pounds a week, and look where it got me. Anyone can do it. End quote. So there you go, folks. Click like for her incredible progress and for all the people she inspired. Now let's take a look at my favorite weight loss product, Thynergy.
Hey you guys, it's your girl Nilsa from MTV Floribama Shore, and excuse my morning madness, but I just wanted to be really raw and authentic with you guys. I want to wish everyone at Thynergy a happy goals day. Let's make today all about reaching your goals. So this is what I do every morning. I get up, I check my emails, I do a little social media, and then I go to the gym and I set out a plan every single day of what goals I want to reach that day. So let's make today all about reaching your goals. And the way I stay fit is just because I have so much motivation. I have a long way to go, but looking back to how far I've came, that's really important to me. So I hope you guys can do the same and reach your goals. Good luck, you guys.
Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Thynergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.